Are you tired of juggling between the vacuum cleaner, the mop, and the cleaning products for clean floors? You've come to the right place. In this video, we present the top 3 vacuum cleaners that will transform the way you clean your floors. And yes, there are 2-in-1 devices that vacuum and wash your floors in one go. It simplifies cleaning, and it saves a lot of time. We analyzed and compared the best options available on Amazon. Come on, let's discover these technological gems together to help you find the one that will perfectly meet your needs. Remember, the names and prices of the products are updated regularly, and you will find them in the description at the bottom. Ready to simplify your cleaning routine? Let's go! In third place, we start strong with the Tineco iFloor. Tineco is a brand known for its home cleaning products that combine technology and efficiency. This model is designed for those who want a device that is both light, practical and cordless, to easily move from one room to another. The Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus vacuums and washes at the same time. Yes, you heard right. No need to take out the vacuum cleaner first and then the mop. It does everything in one go. With its silent brushless motor, it does not disturb, even if you have children sleeping in the next room. A dual tank technology. It has 2 tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water. This means that you always clean with fresh, clean water. No more trips to the tap to rinse and wring out. Self-cleaning. After each use, you can place it on its charging station and start the self-cleaning cycle. No need to clean the brush yourself. It does it all by itself. A lightweight and self-propelled design. It weighs only a few kilos, so it is very easy to handle and store in a corner of the house. And what's more, it is self-propelled, so it moves forward almost by itself, guiding you on the floor without any effort on your part. A recommended use, ideal for hard floors such as tiles, parquet, laminate flooring, etc. Perfect if you have a medium-sized house with mainly hard floors. What makes it stand out? A combined vacuum cleaner and scrubber for maximum time savings. Quiet operation. Practical for discreet cleaning. Lightweight and cordless, so easy to transport and maneuverable even on stairs. Effortless cleaning thanks to self-propulsion. But we also notice that the water tank is relatively small, so it needs to be filled frequently if you are cleaning a large area. Its suction power may seem a little limited for large debris, so it is more suitable for dust and small dirt. Users appreciate its ease of use, its lightness, and the fact that it can clean and dry floors in one go. However, some find that the tank is a little small for large spaces and that it is better for small houses or apartments. In short, an ideal choice if you are looking for an efficient device for quick daily cleaning. The advantages: a maximum time saving, quiet, light and cordless. The disadvantages: the small water tank, its somewhat limited suction power. Let's move on to the second in our ranking, the Bissell Crosswave. If you are ready to invest a little more for a high-quality device, this one is for you. Bissell is a well-established brand in the field of household cleaning, and their Crosswave C3 Pro is particularly efficient. The Bissell Crosswave C3 Pro is a 3-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner. It vacuums, washes and dries in a single pass. Whether you have tiles, wood, laminate or even carpets, it adapts to all types of surfaces. It is therefore the ideal device for homes with mixed floors. A multi-surface technology. Thanks to its rollers, it cleans both hard floors and carpets, removing wet and dry stains effortlessly. The dual tank system. Like the Tineco, it uses a dual tank for clean water and dirty water, so you are always cleaning with clean water. The Fresh Start odor management system. Bissell has added a system to keep odors under control. with an antibacterial brush and a filter that eliminates bad odors. The self-cleaning cycle. No need to worry about cleaning the brush or emptying the device after each pass. It cleans itself, which is a real time saver. We observe versatility for all types of surfaces, hard floors, carpets, tiles, etc. An antibacterial and anti-odor system, ideal if you have pets at home. Easy to use, with intuitive controls and very good maneuverability. Self-cleaning cycle for minimal maintenance. On the other hand, it works with a cable, so less mobility compared to a cordless model. Its price is a little higher, so it represents an investment. Users love the cleaning power and versatility of this vacuum cleaner. Whether for hard floors or carpets, it is effective everywhere. On the other hand, some find that the cable can be annoying when moving around frequently. But for those looking for a high-performance multi-surface device, this is an excellent choice. Pros: versatile, antibacterial and anti-odor system, self-cleaning cycle. Cons: works with a cable, price is a little higher. And our big winner of the ranking, in top 1, is the Pulte Vaporetto SV460 Double. This model offers a deep cleaning thanks to the power of steam. If you like impeccable cleaning without chemicals, it is made for you. The Pulte Vaporetto SV460 Double is a 2-in-1 steam cleaner, which can be used as a steam mop or as a handheld cleaner for smaller surfaces. Its powerful steam eliminates up to 99.9% of viruses, germs, and bacteria. A perfect choice for those who want a clean and healthy home without using detergents. Steam cleaning. Its 4.5 bars hot steam deeply cleans all surfaces, from floors to fabrics. 2-in-1. Simply unclip the upper part to use it as a portable cleaner. Perfect for hard-to-reach places like tile joints, bathrooms, kitchens, and even sofas. 17 accessories included. It comes with a multitude of accessories for every corner of your home. There is even a carpet frame, a special brush for joints, and bonnets to absorb melted dirt. Ready in 15 seconds. With an ultra-fast heating time, it is ready to use in just 15 seconds. A deep cleaning without chemicals, therefore more ecological. It is ultra-versatile with many accessories for every surface of the house. And effective in killing bacteria and viruses, ideal for a clean and healthy environment. Practical with its removable tank and unlimited autonomy. On the other hand, works with a cable, therefore less freedom of movement, and less suitable for vacuuming. So it complements a classic vacuum cleaner rather than replacing it completely. Users find this steam cleaner hyper-efficient and complete, perfect for a deep cleaning. They love the accessories, the power of the steam, and the fact that it does not require chemicals. A small downside for mobility, but with all its accessories, it remains the number 1 choice for household perfectionists. Advantages: no chemicals, many accessories, unlimited autonomy. Disadvantages: works with a cable, less suitable for vacuuming. To summarize our selection, we have the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus, lightweight, cordless, and ideal for fast and efficient daily cleaning. The Bissell Crosswave C3 Pro, perfect for mixed surfaces with its multi-surface cleaning. The Pulte Vaporetto SV460 Double, ideal for natural and deep cleaning thanks to the power of steam. That's it. That's the end of our top 3 best vacuum cleaners. Tell us in the comments which model convinced you the most, and if you have already tested one. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our next videos.